The textbook we are following is eSkills Learners Level 7. Today we will cover pages 58 to 61 that comprises of Task 5, Advanced Topics from Module 2, Designing a Document. We will be using Microsoft Word. This video tutorial is for week 9. Our today's objective is to insert symbols, mathematical formula, citation, footnote and endnote. Before we start, let's do a quick recap of our previous knowledge. In your previous grade 6, you have learned about Microsoft Word. So, what is Microsoft Word? Why do you use it? Let me give you a clue. Microsoft Word is a very powerful program not only for writing text, making tables and labels, or even having fun with pictures and shapes. How a text document should look like. Dear students, except for the main text, what else you can add to a document? You have used shapes, tables, page numbers, images in your document. These are the basic features of Microsoft Word. Now, in grade 7, you are going to learn more advanced features of Microsoft Word. We can use advanced features or elements to make a text document more appealing and attractive. They also make it more understandable and detailed. We will be covering these topics. Have you ever used symbols? To make your text look more attractive, there are many special characters you can use, call them symbols. These can be arrows, bullets, stars, and small icons. How to insert symbols? On the Insert tab in Symbols group, click Symbol. Click More Symbols. In the symbol window, in the font list, click the font Wingdings. Click the one you like and then click Insert. When you finish, close the window. The symbol will now appear in your text. Some characters are automatically converted to symbols. When you type them, they convert it to symbols. Have you ever used mathematical formula in your document? Sometimes you want to create a text that contains mathematical formula. To insert a mathematical formula in your document, you have to first click on the Insert tab and the symbol group, click Equation. Click Insert New Equation. Under the Equation Tools ribbon, the Design tab will appear. Type x is equal to. In the Structures group, click Fraction. Click the appropriate fraction and it will automatically appear in the document. Type -b upon a and your equation is done. What is citation? A citation is the way you tell your readers that certain material in your work came from another source. Referencing allows you to acknowledge the contribution of other writers and researchers in your work. When you do a school project, you must mention resources where the information you used came from. How to add citation? Click the place where you want to insert the citation. On the Reference tab in the Citation and Bibliography group, click Insert Citation. Click Add New Source. In the Create Source window, in the Type of Source list, click Book. Type the information in each box. For example, you can create a citation about the book, A Christmas Carol, which was written by Charles Dickens and published by Chapman and Hall in 1843. Click OK. The citation will appear in your text. Footnote and endnote. When to use footnote? Footnotes and endnotes are used to indicate citations in essays or academic papers. To add a footnote, type this text. Then click after the word game. On the Reference tab in the Footnote group, click Insert Footnote. A number is inserted at the end of the document as well as over the word which the footnote refers to. Type are held every 4 years in the footnote text area.